In this tutorial, we'll discuss with you a new frames and a new shots from your current render. As you know, it's quite boring and it's quite problematic when we want to make some top view render, because you need to build all your scene, you need to add a lot of information to your render. So simply like AI is a good solution, and it's a good idea to find, maybe we can figure out how not to remodel all the building, how not to make new cameras and, you know, put a new environment around the building. So simply like we can work with only one image and try to find more frames, more ideas how it can be presented. As you see, we made a bird view, we made some second angle from the opposite side of the building. I don't think it's exactly correct, but it's giving you, your investor, your boss, some ideas how it can be done. We also made a few close-ups. As you see, beautiful images. It's helping you to make a deeper connection with your client, boss. You know, you can do a lot with that. We made also some section. It's not so perfect, of course, but it's giving, like, for people who are not from architecture world, it's giving them a lot of explanation what can be inside of those rooms. Of course, it's not perfect. Of course, it's not extremely good at this moment, but remember that AI is growing, and you need to know how to work with that. And it's also giving you idea of presentation. Yeah, like it doesn't mean that you need to put exactly this image to your final board with a client, but you can use this as a background simply for your AutoCAD, you know, Revit project, and just put a Revit project up on this image, and for example, remove only slightly with a brush those rooms to, you know, to connect your idea with the environment. It's making your life easier. So yeah, that's also idea how we can make a front elevation shot. This one is good. Like, I'm happy with this result, and you can compare it. So it's strongly recommended from my team. We are using it, and it's giving very good results. Like, it's understanding very good the vision of the building. Here it was a test. Can we make, you know, different sections on the floors? It's also good, not perfect. Remember, that's only one prompt, one test. You can also definitely do more. We also done some other shots from another angle. Also cool option. We will test it with you as well. And we made some much bigger context, and I'll also be glad to show you. As you see, it's very good. It's very good. For me personally, it's one of the best shots. And also this is a good shot when we try to make top view. In this lesson, we will also, in these tutorials, we'll also discuss the problems, some negative ideas, some positive ideas, and of course, as always, we will try different engines, so you'll be able to select the best one for you and the best one at this moment. Remember that the best one means exactly that. It's today, 12th of January 2026. So time to time engines can jump higher or, you know, lower in this rating, but for now, NanoBanana Pro is absolutely champion, and before that, NanoBanana was the champion, but also other engines are quite good. So feel free to test, and we'll discuss it in this tutorial blog. So see you in the next tutorial.